லட்சக்கணக்கான ஆடியோ பாட்காஸ்ட்டை வாத்த ஆப்ல கேட்டு என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழ் மற்றும் அதர் லாங்குவேஜஸ்லயும் உங்களோட பாட்காஸ்ட்டை வாத்த ஆப்ல பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணலாம். கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்கிற லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணி வாத்த ஆப்பை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணுங்க.
இன்னும் இந்தியா கிளிக் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலையா? பண்ணு மரியாதை பண்ணு.
What was it like உங்களுக்கு first time you met him, that impression?
Director he explained to us of what exactly is the scene. Adula he's not well and he's supposed to be having high fever. Actually his body was burning. He is ensured his temperature goes up. நான் முடிச்சார்தும் போய் கேட்டேன், இந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல why should you shoot? No ma'am, I'm all right now. That was just for the scene. I was completely shocked. The South Indian adla and the padatla, and he's a Rajinikanth fan adla. In fact, I was telling him, you've got such a pan India face, you must work with a Tamil cinema director abdina solindrinde. He had given me his number and he said, I will call you regarding doing a Tamil cinema movie. I'm still waiting for the call.
What was the scenario that back then when this news flashed up?
Shock, disbelief. I was just hoping and praying it's a false news. Adri or 2-3 days was very heavy in the heart. I couldn't sleep properly. I also messaged a few of the people who were part of the crew. Ellaru shock and disbelief.
உங்களுக்கு did you have notice of any அப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு ட்ராமால இருந்தாரா, அப்செட் அல்லது? Hi, hello and welcome to all the India Glitz viewers out there. This is BJ. நாமலைன் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட இப்போ ரீசெண்ட் டைம்ஸ்ல தில் பெச்சாரா அப்படிங்கிற படம் நம்ம நிறைய பேர் பார்த்திருக்கோம். அந்த படத்துல ஃபீச்சர் ஆன ஒருத்தவங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நிறைய படங்கள்ல ஃபீச்சர் ஆன ஒரு ஆர்டிஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ராஜி அவர்கள் தான் நம்ம கூட இருக்காங்க. வணக்கம் and welcome to the show. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
வணக்கம், I'm doing good. Thank you.
இப்போ ரீசெண்டா I think I have to say Dil Bechara is a movie that nobody can miss. Everybody is watching that movie அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். First நீங்க how did you come on board into the film?
Actually Mukesh Chabra is the director. அவர் he has a very big casting company. And this is his first film direction nala somebody contacted one of the people from his office. In fact irony enna they contacted me on Facebook. So initially they messaged me, and when you get a message on Facebook with knowing all these things, so I told my daughter, somebody called from Mukesh Chabra company. She said it's such a big casting company, immediately call them. And then the person, his name is Pankaj, he's also part of the casting. So he said, ma'am, sir is doing a movie and he wants to cast you for that. They've seen you in Endiran and other movies, so they want you to act in a role அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன். So I said hero's mother அப்படின்னு. Hero யாரு என்ன? And they told me it was kind of inspired by Fault in the Stars. தெரியும்ல, Dil Bechara is inspired by the
well known.
So I said, who's doing the hero? So they said Sushant Singh. I said, of course I'd like to play his mother. கண்டிப்பா, without a doubt I will. என்ன ரோல் என்ன ஒண்ணுமே கேட்கல. I mean என்ன screen space, what is it? Moment they said that you have to play his mother, I said absolutely. உங்களுக்கு ஹிந்தி தெரியுமான்னாங்க. தெரியும், கண்டிப்பா தெரியும். So just do an audition in Tamil and Hindi and send it to us. And then I was on board.
இந்த ஃபிலிம்ல உள்ளார பார்த்தோம்னா அஃப்கோர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு சுஷாந்த் அவர்கள் கூட சீன் இருக்கு. அஃப்கோர்ஸ் இட் இஸ் டிஃபிகல்ட் ஃபார் அஸ் டு பேசிக்கா இந்த ஒரு சுஷாந்த் அவர்களுடைய மறை அப்படிங்கிறது உங்களுக்கு இந்த படம் பார்க்கும் போது எந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு இம்பாக்ட் இருந்தது?
ரொம்ப. இன்ஃபேக்ட் the first scene where I enter, he is on bed and அந்த சீன்ல actually I'm supposed to cry. அது வித்தவுட் கிளிசரின் தான் அழுதுது. அந்த சீன்ல அழுத விட நேத்து பார்த்தப்போ I really cried a lot. அந்த சீன் actually yesterday I saw it. I was waiting for 7:30 and immediately I switched it on and I was seeing the movie. Last bitla தான், last about 20 minutes la தான் I come into the scene and அந்த படத்துல பார்த்தா I enter crying. அது அழுறது விட இப்போ when I saw it I felt very very upset and I started weeping. ஒரு father who's done as Michael Muthu, அவர் அழறது பார்த்து I just couldn't bear. it kind of just tears rolled. Then only I realized I'm crying. You know, it's something you feel very heavy in the heart. Explain பண்ண முடியாது because how the situation is now and how the situation was when we actually shot for the movie. It is very upsetting.
And also உங்களுக்கு while you worked with him, what was it like உங்களுக்கு the first time you met him, that impression?
Director he explained to us of what exactly is the scene, and Sushant is getting prepared for the scene. Prepared, and you think it's makeup or getting ready for the thing. Okay, Abdeen. Then when I go on the sets and when I saw him, Adila, he's not well and he's supposed to be having high fever. And the set, actually, he's supposed to be.
Yeah, I get the scene.
Yeah, actually, his body was burning. And he is method acting avlo intense na. He is kind of ensured that என்ன சொல்றது ஒரு இந்த நம்ம சின்ன வயசுல டீச்சர்ஸுக்கு எல்லாம் சொல்லி ஜுரம் வர மாதிரி we do all those tricks, no, இங்கெல்லாம் ஆனியன் வைக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி he is ensured his temperature goes up. அவ்வளோ ஒரு மெத்தட் ஆக்டிங். அண்ட் ஐ ரியலி தாட் அந்த சீன்ல அவருக்கு ஃபீவர் இருக்குன்னுட்டு நான் முடிச்சார்தும் போய் கேட்டேன், why are you ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல why should you shoot, எதுக்காக? No ma'am, I'm all right now, that was just for the scene. I was completely shocked. And the scene முடியிற வரைக்கும் start to end he's in it. அதுல I learned a lot from that thing. Apollo, he takes it in so much. And when you think of such a brilliant person who can bring things onto screen, illana, it's very difficult to digest.
And உங்களுக்கு did you have notice of any அப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு ட்ராமால இருந்தாரா, ஏதாவது ஒரு விதமான அப்செட் அல்லது? He was cool, he was very fun filled.
In fact, I was telling him, you've got such a pan India face, you must work with a Tamil cinema director அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன். Yes ma'am, I've never thought of it, that's such a nice idea, I'll tell my team to get in touch with you. He had told me. That was his last words.
Very sweet. And the last words அப்படின்னு சொல்றீங்க, I just wanted to ask the final goodbye when you bid goodbye to him. அந்த டைம் இருந்த ஒரு feel and that I'm sure அது ஒரு flashes-ல இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு தெரியுது. But so அந்த ஒரு
actually ஒரு அந்த படத்துல 2-3 shots with him have been cut, maybe because to fit into the OTT platform இருக்கலாம். This hospital scene la where Sanjana Sangvi, she comes and tells Party is sitting there with all three of them. Adha appuram or shot irundhudu where I feed him food in the hospital. I literally fed him. Adha mudichadu, that was the end of the shot for us. So I said, remember I told you should do work with a Tamil cinema director and you should think of doing a Tamil cinema also, because he can fit the Hindi movie as well. And he's a South Indian and the padathla. That's how he says Seri Kizi Basu, Seri, and then he's a Rajinikanth fan. So I'd asked him, kind of, he had given me his number and he said, I will call you regarding doing a Tamil cinema movie. Or maybe a Tamil cinema director also. I will call you. I'm still waiting for the call.
And first, in the news, what was the scenario that back then when this news flashed up?
It came out sometime during the midday or first reaction was shock, disbelief. What, Abdeen? Then I was just hoping and praying it's a false news, because when you hear it's just saying false news irukano idu, I really, then when every WhatsApp group, every news started playing it, or madri or 2-3 days was, that day was very heavy in the heart. I couldn't sleep properly, because somebody you work with so closely and who is such a brilliant person, and everybody knows in the media ipdi oru end anna, it's when you watch the movie, it's difficult to
Very
fathom.
heavy.
ரொம்ப ஒரு heaviness in the heart. I also messaged a few of the people whom I know in the who are part of the crew. எல்லாரும் shock and disbelief சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. And lot of people said, ma'am, you have worked with him, literally worked with him, and we can understand how you're feeling. No, நம்ம ஒன்னும் இங்க இன்னும் felt so helpless, wish we could have reached out, wish we can do something என்ற மாதிரி. That's the first time we feel helpless about the whole thing.
உங்களுக்கு வந்த ஃபீட்பேக்ஸ் என்ன மேம் இந்த மூவி பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு வந்த கால்ஸ் அண்ட் டாக்ஸ் ரிகார்டிங்?
First one, everybody was surprised that I'm there because I had not mentioned it to anybody, of course, other than my close circle and family. And second one, they asked me if there were more scenes, because it seemed that there was more scenes and it was cut because of the probably OTT platform. I said yes, there were more scenes. And another thing is, everybody said that you must be feeling so upset about the fact that he's gone too soon. I said absolutely, kind of wish we could rewind things in life, but which we can't.
Also வந்து உங்களுக்கு this particular opportunity I think வந்து is something special, everybody knows how talented he is and how well he worked, how dedicated he was. To have worked with him அப்படிங்கிறது I think வந்து you had the chance to meet him and know him. அந்த ஒரு feel பத்தி சில விஷயங்கள்.
I didn't know him as such, was more acquainted with him. And shooting he see, when we didn't have shoots, we all stayed in the same place, same hotel. He used to be up in the morning and ready, know that time waste pandratho or making people wait, because I used to go down for my breakfast and he was up and ready and bubbling with the character. Fulla used to be on the Josh, and he used to work out a lot. Angiye used to work out. He had made a kind of very fitness conscious, very diet conscious, very fitness conscious. Whatever you can see in a young man, all the good qualities were there in him.
And so வந்து இந்த ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ரோல் பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் டைரக்டர் உங்ககிட்ட சொன்ன சில விஷயங்கள், அவங்களுடைய ஃபீட்பேக்ஸ் என்னென்ன இருந்தது மேம்?
ஆக்சுவலி வந்து டைரக்டர் என்கிட்ட சொன்னாரு, நீங்க இட்ஸ் a very, எனக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் மொமெண்ட் அது. You perform so well, and I'm sorry that I had to give you a very small role. Kandipa I will remember, and I'll give you a very very good role in the future, and I promise you that abdinu he had told me that. So I was very happy that he liked my role. And in fact he asked me, do you want glycerin abdin ketar? I said no sir, I'll manage. So he gave me some time to feel the scenes. Enak looking at Sushant was a big inspiration and motivation that I should at least come or 50% illa at least or 30% or pandradhu I should come up illa. So after that he had mentioned that you performed so well in the scene that I shall give you a better and a bigger role with better screen space. கண்டிப்பா குடுக்கறேன்னு சொல்லி.
இப்போ அடுத்து பார்த்தோம்னா உங்க daughters also acting in a big film. So your view and your take on that generally performing and growing in the industry.
நான் இருக்கிறப்ப நான் என்ன சொல்றது? I'm going to say positive things.
How proud are you generally நீங்க பாக்கும்போது?
Very proud, very very proud, and I keep kind of, it's an added advantage that I'm also there and she's entering it. We can support each other, emotional support, mental support, actually kind of even choosing scripts or kind of how to talk, how to kind of prepare, what is it that you should do, what is it that you should not do. With my experience I can kind of pass it on to her, and ipo present day generation, they are far ahead of us.
So yeah, with that we come to the end of the show. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for sharing us your experience with set and with one important person which we all feel. And also I have to say the movie is just it's just moving everyone. It's really good. And you have done a great work too, which we saw.
This one
Yeah,
scene,
yeah, but still,
it was, yeah.
Dil Bechara is a special film, yeah. And the special film, I think even one scene makes a big difference.
Being a part of it is itself
Exactly.
is a big thing, and it's made my what do you say, something that I will cherish for a very very long time. And thank you to you and India Glitz for giving me this opportunity.
Our pleasure.
எனக்கு it was a way of talking about the
Okay.
movie. நாங்க சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, sometimes when we talk, when we discuss, when we open out, அது
We feel
kind
like-
of helps இல்லையா. And now that situation இருக்கிறதுனால it really kind of I could also emotionally connect. Thanks to you for asking these questions, and I was able to kind of open out to things which I didn't know I had stored it in.
I think that's something which we also appreciate, man. Thank you so much.